morning, informed beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. All right, y'all, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my vitamin skincare routine. As many of you guys know, I love vitamin C. Vitamin C is my #1 go-to when it comes to scarring. I always recommend it, especially if you're someone like me that has acne. Having vitamin C in your skincare can definitely help to fade away those scars and improve the overall look and the evenness of the skin and your tone. So I love me a great vitamin C regimen. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into that this morning. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and share your girl with the world. And make sure you turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a video. As I'm like about to fall. Gotta stay balanced, okay? All right, so I first already in shower cleansed my face with some Dr. Bronner baby cast out soap, because the product that I'm going to use next, I don't like to use it alone because I feel like it's not cleansing enough, especially for me when it comes to like my acne. I really want to make sure that I am cleansing the skin. So I do pre-cleanse before I use this cleanser, and that is the Dr. Bronner's hemp soap. So after I use that, I go in with vitamin C gentle daily cleansing paste, and this has golden turmeric in it and ancient rice. Now you guys know turmeric also is a great skin brightener, evens out the skin tone. Also, you guys know I'm a Derma fanatic. I love their products, and their vitamin C line is, y'all, if you've never tried the vitamin C line or anything from the vitamin C line when it comes to Derma E, definitely get your hands on it. So I'm going to double this up because this does work as not only a face cleanser but also a mask. So this is going to be my 2-in-1 this morning. I'll go ahead and wet my face. And this is literally like a paste. Like, it's a paste product. It comes out like a paste. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some onto my hands. Just like that. And I'm going to massage this into my skin like I would like any other cleanser. The thing about this too, it does have little mini like exfoliator beads in it, which I really happen to like. So it also doubles up as an exfoliator. So for me, this is like that 3-in-1 where you have exfoliator, cleanser, and a mask. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it all into my skin. Now that that is distributed evenly on the face, I just make sure to massage it in. I'm gonna let that sit for, and it says if you're going to use this as a mask, you will let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, okay? So let's talk a little bit too while this mask sits about vitamin C. I do have a full video talking all about the benefits of vitamin C, but we're gonna tap into a little bit, we're gonna talk about it here too, and I also will link that video talking all about the benefits of vitamin C and how great vitamin C is for the skin. But vitamin C also helps with your collagen production, and you know, as you get up there in age, you know, like your girl, I'm 33, supporting that collagen is very important because that's what makes you look younger. That's what keeps the wrinkles away, as well as vitamin C is a great antioxidant. So also antioxidants keep the skin looking young, keeping away free radicals, anything that's going to age the skin. Vitamin C is the most simplest ingredient you can use, okay? And there's so many different methods of vitamin C's, the serums, the mask, all that. I have like everything vitamin C, including eye patches. I have everything vitamin C, okay? Everything vitamin C. So we're just gonna continue to let this mask sit on the face. It feels good. There's like no tingling or anything of that sort. But I do like to double this up and use it as a 2-in-1 because it can be used both ways. And I feel like because it's a paste, for me, I like it more so in that way of using it as a mask, because for me sometimes paste cleansers are not enough, especially because I have acne, oily skin. I feel like I need a good cleaner. And even though once I remove this, my skin feels pretty clean, I always pre-cleanse though before I use this. So yeah, I like to be clean, okay? Come close so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove this cleanser, this paste, or this gentle daily cleansing paste slash mask. I'm going to go ahead and use a washcloth and some warm water. And this mask is pretty easy to remove too. It's nothing too much. It just comes right off of the skin. All right, so I removed the mask, and this is what your girl's face is looking like. It feels really good. It feels very like clean, just very fresh. So I really do like using that method of not just as a cleansing paste, but doubling that up as like a mask. It works perfectly for me. So next we're gonna jump into a toner. See, my toners right now are a little off because I ran out of a few of my go-to toners. And this one has glycolic and rubose in it, and I don't know if I want to use glycolic along with vitamin C. I don't think I want to mix those two. You want to be very mindful of what type of toner you're using when it comes to vitamin C. You don't want to do too much. And then I have this one, which is a BHA, so I definitely don't want to use that. Hold on. Okay, we're back. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my Art Naturals Rose Water Toner. It has witch hazel in it. I really do believe this stuff is either expired. Oh no, oh, it's actually expiring this month, and I have a little bit left, so I do definitely need to use this up. But I just wanted to use something that was not like super harsh or anything, because I am using vitamin C. So this is witch hazel and rose water. Oh, I figured, okay, we'll talk about that later. So I just want to use something that's going to be able to balance out the skin and just be gentle. You know, I want a gentle toner, so nothing too heavy, nothing with any treatments in it. And I'm just going to go ahead and rebalance that skin, tone it up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply my vitamin C concentrated serum. I have a full video on this. You guys know this is one of my favorite vitamin C serums. If you ain't never, get your hands on it. Okay, it is so worth it. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply this to my entire face. I usually recommend the serum above everything else in this video because this is what I started out with, and it's easy to throw into your regimen. You just put this on before you apply your moisturizer, and it gives you great benefits. Like, this stuff is potent. Okay, so I definitely suggest like Derma E. I always rebuy it, re-get it. It's always a staple. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply my eye patches. I do have the Derma E Vitamin C Bright Eye Hydrogel patches, and that's very important because you want to keep the eye area nice and bright. And I actually really do like these patches. I've been using them for quite some time. You guys know I'm not a big fan of eye creams, but when it comes to like masks or patches, I actually like those a little bit better. So we're going to go ahead and apply these. And they just come with like a little gel solution on them. And then you'll just place them right underneath the eyeball, like so. Make sure it's positioned right. Get the full benefits of all that brightening, all that vitamin C. Oh, I tore this one a little bit, but it's fine. Nails. I'm gonna apply the other one. And then we're gonna let this sit for 10 minutes before I apply my moisturizer. These bad boys, like, they just make your under eye area feel so much better. It's brightening. Like, I love it. I love it. They're simply easy to pop on. I just pop them on usually like in my morning routine before I leave, or at night, like before I go to sleep. And I don't have to use like the eye cream. You just take that and pat it into your eye afterwards. But I really do like this whole system, like putting all this together and giving yourself a great a great vitamin C regimen. You're using that over time, you're gonna see your skin become so much brighter, so much just overall better. So I'm gonna be back because my camera is overheating. So we're gonna keep these on for 10 minutes and I'll be back to finish off this lovely routine. And you see how it slides down sometimes they slide down and it's annoying, so I just push it back up and try not to talk or smile. All right, you guys, we are back. Okay, so we're just gonna remove these bad boys. Just take them right off. And I am just going to massage in the additional serum. This one has a lot of serum. I think like these ones were like packed with serum. But I pretty much just rub it into my entire eye area. Once that dries, or once that kind of settles into the skin, I next go in with my vitamin C renewing moisturizer. I have this one, and I also have another one. Where is it? Oh, it's not here. I have another one that has the vitamin C in it. I'll just put this picture here. I have another one that has a SPF in it. So if you want a little bit more SPF protection before going out into the sun, that one has SPF in it. I kind of don't like that one too much. I don't use it as often, but I feel like if I'm gonna go like makeupless and I'm gonna be out and about, then I would grab for that one typically. But I just don't like the texture. I don't know, it's like a white creamy texture, which I'll show you guys in this video. It just reminds me too much of a sunscreen, and I don't know, I don't really like it. But this is the vitamin C renewing moisturizer, one of my favorites too. So to top everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and take a few pumps of that. It's a nice consistency too. Definitely not super oily or anything, but it's just a nice great consistency, and I'm going to massage that throughout my entire face. Okay, and this vitamin C moisturizer has probiotics and rubiose in it, so it's a lightweight radiance boosting moisturizer. It helps to improve the appearance of uneven skin tone, fine lines, and wrinkles. And same thing I've been saying before, like vitamin C is just great for overall skin brightening, keeping the skin looking young, collagen production, all that good stuff. Okay, so this is what I do, and then that's pretty much it. From this step, I do go on to like applying my makeup, but my skin just feels amazing. It actually, I think it looks a little bit brighter afterwards. And this is more so of like my morning skincare routine for vitamin C. I keep it a little bit more lightweight. I do have vitamin C products I use at night, which I will do a nighttime vitamin C skincare routine. They're a little bit more like treatment based, a little bit more heavier, so I use those towards the night. So I'll definitely do a video on that. But pretty much, you guys, that is my morning skincare vitamin C routine. So really quickly, I wanted to come on and give you guys a shot of what my skin looks like. This is makeup on top of everything. Just look, like my skin just looks like brighter, so great. Even though I do have makeup on, I feel like it still makes a big difference. Like, so I just wanted to come on and show you guys like a quick shot of with makeup on what my skin looks like. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed everything that I talked about in this video. Of course, will be down below in the description box. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video.